What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do a side job. Found my buddy called me out for this. He found it on Angelique's. We're basically gonna clean the roof. Stay tuned so you can see how it goes. So of course, the essentials when doing a house cleaning on top of the roof. Protect yourself even more from sun. You gotta wear one of these caps. It's a must. On Jamie. Clear out the drain. Clear out the hole. Everything starts draining. Clean the roof now with a hose, spraying it a little bit down. Want to spray the dirt down to the gutters. We just clean out the gutters, but spray down the dirt into the gutters so then we'll pick it up at the end.